Hello everyone, in this video we will be looking towards the TypeScript concept. So introduction to TypeScript, let's start ahead. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe us. So let's start with types of languages. So what are the types of languages? There are two types of languages. One is strongly typed and one is loosely typed. So uh, strongly typed defined as a example like Java, C++, C, where the compilation process takes place. Like it has lesser runtime errors because when it executes the program, it shows the errors what are there. If you are defining integer, but you gave the expected output should be an integer, but you gave string. So these all things has been evaluated while compiling. So this is what the strongly typed means, and loosely typed means the simple JavaScript code. Like if you are let number equal to 10, this is basically the loosely type. We haven't defined the type of this let number has no type. So this is basically working code for JavaScript, but it becomes very difficult when you go in typed language. So JavaScript had thoughts that why not, the JavaScript is very powerful language, so but lacks in types, so they converted it into the TypeScript and TypeScript was then introduced as a new language to add types on the top of JavaScript. So like example, the C++, Java, Rust. So what are the benefits here are the lesser runtime errors, stricter code base and easy to catch the error at compile time. So benefits are Python, Java, Perl, etc. Hence, it is easy to write the code and faster to bootstrap and low learning curve. So what is TypeScript? TypeScript is the programming language developed and maintained by Microsoft. It is strict syntactical superset of JavaScript. What does syntactical superset means? It is the whole subset of JavaScript, and the things that actually runs on the browser, not just runtime. Okay, so TypeScript is something that compiles down to JavaScript. When TypeScript is compiled down, you will get type checking, like similarly to C++. Like what are the type errors? If you are defining the numbers or a parameter as a number, a boolean, or let's say string, then all those things has been type checking has been done. If there are any, the conversation to the type JavaScript will fail. So this is basically the most important benefit of TypeScript. So what does the TypeScript compiler do? TSC is basically the TypeScript compiler we will be using. We will set up the project and then compile, then we will show how actually to compile the TypeScript to code. So there are TypeScript has been a code is compiled into JavaScript language. Make sure you know this. There are many other famous compilers for transcriber for completing the JavaScript and TypeScript. And one more thing, there are ECMA scripts are also there, which like ES 2016 and is which is basically the version of browser defined as like you are building the application in, if you are building the application in latest browser, so latest browser understand ES 2026 20 ES 2016. So this is the latest version. If you initialize the project, then you will get to know, we will do ahead. So basically there are other forms of compilers, as I mentioned, ESBuild and SWC. So over here TypeScript compiles the main.ts is compiled to JavaScript, main.js, then browser, and Node.js we compiled over there. So let's now go to the terminal and how to initialize the TypeScript project. Let's see that. Just go to the terminal and type. First of all, you need to install TypeScript so globally. So make sure you do this npm install TypeScript -g TypeScript. So basically this command install the TypeScript over in your whole project. Okay, but as I have already installed it, so we will be using. So what we need to do is just create a new folder, mkdir project cd, then change the directory projects. Then what we need to do here is initialize the Node.js project. npm init -y. This command will initialize the Node.js project. It will build the package.json. After that, what we need to do is just initialize the TypeScript. So npx tsc -init. Make sure you know these commands. After writing this command, TypeScript has been initialized. You can see. So just open this folder in VS Code space dot. So you can see over here we have package.json and tsconfig.json. So how to first of all, what we need to do over here is just go over here and find this root dir. This basically this root dir, you should be able to find it and just uncomment it and write over here src and find the out dir over here, out dir, uncomment it and write dist. What it will do, I will explain it. And go over here and create one folder called src. In this folder, just create new file, say index.ts. So we will write the TypeScript code over here. Let's So we will write const x colon number equal to 5 console.log x. So save it and just open the terminal. And in terminal, what you should write is basically tsc dash b. What this command will do, it will run the TypeScript code and compile it into JavaScript. Let's run this and see. Yes, so you can see over here we got the dist folder with index.js. So in this folder, in index.js, you can see const x equal to 5 console.log 5. In this TypeScript code base, we have initialized the number over here as a type for this x. So over here you can see the initialization of any sort of types for the x. So this is basically how TypeScript defines a basic command. So how you should use the types in TypeScript. So this is the main point you should remember always. Okay, so in this video we initialize the project and how to write the simple code. We have done that. In next video we will be looking towards the more advanced concepts and more how to write in TypeScript functions, the rest of the things. So stay tuned, subscribe us, like us and share. Thank you so much.